Cuba is a place where the idea of spending too much time in the car doesn't really exist for me. In my opinion, it's an essential part of the Cuban experience, and part of that is stepping back in time to a place where we actually worked on our own cars, when oil changes, tune-ups, and quick fixes on the road were all part of a road trip. In many parts of the world, we've moved beyond that self-reliance and resourcefulness, but not here. On my road trip through the country, the driver often had to pay some loving attention to his beautiful '52 Chevy. It's really interesting to take a look under the hood at some of these vehicles, and you'll see they have to sometimes pound the parts into shape to fit inside the vehicle. I am 100% positive this is not an original '52 radiator grill, and you can see the hammer marks where somebody, maybe even Javier, had to pound it into shape to fit in here. And as Javier explained to me, that is the Cuban way. You make it work. On this morning, as often happened on this trip, she just wouldn't start. So he'd tinker a bit, make some adjustments, and voila! We were back on the road.
Muy fuerte.
Muy fuerte.
Muy bonito.
It felt like a tank. Cubanos just get it done. So Javier, you mind if I drive? Yo quiero manejar.
No es posible manejar.
I tried.